So we're back with power of 10 positive exponents, and so we have 10 to the power of 6. And what this does not say 10 times 6. This says 10 times itself 6 times. And so we could put this in a calculator. We could do the kind of long multiplication sort of thing with it repeatedly. But it's important to understand that when you have a number like 10 to an exponent, there's a shortcut that we basically just need to say, okay, we need to put that number of zeros after the 1. And so in the case of this one, we would have a 1 with 6 zeros after it. So that's going to be equivalent to 1 million. So come out a lot when we're dealing with scientific notation or engineering notation. And so getting pretty fluent with this and just recognizing that, hey, 10 to the power of something, that power just tells us the number of zeros that are stuck on the end of that number. So 10 to the power of 4. Again, this is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. But I don't even need to write that because all I need to know is that I'm going to have a 1 with 4 zeros after it. So now would be a good time to get good at recognizing that when you have a 10 with an exponent on it, it basically just tells you how many zeros are going to be stuck on the end of that number. 10 to the 6th we already had. And again, we're asked to write 10,000 as a power of 10, so this is getting backwards on us. So 10,000. How many zeros do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is going to be equivalent to 10 to the power of 4. All right. And then we have 10 million being written as an exponent. So 10, all we need to do is count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 zeros, so that's going to be 10 to the power of 7. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. Again, very simple with an exponent on a 10. It just tells us how many zeros in total we have after that 1. So again, here we had 6 zeros following the 1. Here we had 4 zeros. Here we had 4 zeros, and we wrote it the other way, saying 10 with 4 zeros after the 1. Here we had 10 million. There were 7 zeros after the 1, so it's going to be 10 to the power of 7.